Hello? Hello? Good morning, Vandal. Good morning, Vandal. Speak loudly, na. Had your breakfast? Okay. You just see here. All these are the topics are available now. Introduction to programming. But before that, I need to go for the first concept. Basics of computer programming. First, I will show all those. The topics are available in your first unit. Before that, I need to introduce myself. Myself, Dr. M. Srikanth. I completed my BTech in 2004. You were born in that year? What's your year of the born? 2007? Okay, okay. 8, 6 also available. 9 also available. Okay. From 2004 to till now, the gap available in between you and me, that is called my experience. Okay. I have 20 years of experience. I completed my BTech in 2004. Immediately after completion of my BTech, I moved from Karimnagar to Hyderabad. I started my teaching career in Bharat Institute of Science and Technology, Mangalpalli, Hyderabad. Then I got GATE in JNTU Anantapur. Completed my MTech in JNTU Anantapur. So after completion of my MTech, once again I started my teaching career. Uh, Till now, I completed my 20 years of teaching experience in computer science and engineering department. Uh, in the year of 2018, I registered my PhD, Doctor of Philosophy in Usmania University, Hyderabad. Uh, Usmania University established in 1917 before independence. Recently, 2017, 100 years completed Centurion University, that is. Uh, in this year, In 2005, in February, I completed my Doctor of Philosophy also. I awarded my name, before my name, doctorate degree. And in this month, 19th August 2025, I think last week, I received this Doctor of Philosophy PhD degree from Telangana Governor Jishnudeva Verma in front of ISRO Chairman V. Narayanan. I think ISRO stands for Indian Space. Who is V. Narayanan, chief guest of the 84th convocation completed in August 19th this month only, last week. 84th convocation. Okay, I think total 108 or 107 years are completed here. 1700 acres around this campus are available in Usman University. Total 1700 acres. Nizam's Usman Ali Khan established in 1917, and many of the eminent people came from that Usman University, and Jawaharlal Nehru and Rabindranath Tagore and many of the eminent people, P.V. Narasimha Rao, and all the other people are awarded Doctor of Philosophy, Honorable Doctor of Philosophy from Usman University, and 50th doctorate degree received recently in the first level. ISRO Chairman V. Narayanan from Usman University, 50th doctorate, and in front of Usmania, in front of ISRO Chairman and V. Narayanan and Jishnudeva Verma, Telangana Governor, and Vice Chancellor Raman Garu of Usman University, awarded to the gold medalist from PG and UG, and to all the doctorates, PhD. Okay, but my big billion day in my life, that is August 19th, I received. So after that, I think in August 19th, in many number of electronic media, the live streaming are available here in TV9 and TV and so on. If possible, I show off those. And in the next level, I received a call from media from Karimnagar. Why? Because my hometown Karimnagar. And then all the number of papers are printed here in print media here in the next day after completion of 84th convocation. I'll show if possible after completion of this session after noon. Before leaving today, today only I'm leaving from Kakinada to Hyderabad. After 2 weeks or 1 week, I will come back after completion of my own PDF. I registered my PDF also in Spain after completion of PhD. PDF stands for Postdoctorate Fellowship. So after PhD, but PhD only the highest academic qualification in one human being's life. PhD only the toppest one. Why? Because if you complete a research degree, compulsory, one human being awarded with doctorate in front of name, call me on that day onwards, normal name shifted from Mr. to Doctor. Okay. Now I given many number of subjects. I taught many number of subjects from 2004 to till now. 21 years, 20 plus years are completed here. Now I'll go for PPS, programming for problem solving, and many of the topics are already covered, already Srinivas told, but I need to go many topics to recall all those according to your syllabus. So I need to show your syllabus first. I need to verify what are the topics are available in your syllabus in your first unit. What are those? First tell me. History of మ్యూట్ చేస్తావా? అవసరం లేదా? హిస్టరీ ఆఫ్ కంప్యూటర్స్. నెక్స్ట్ బేసిక్ ఆర్గనైజేషన్ ఆఫ్ కంప్యూటర్స్. నెక్స్ట్ ALU stands for arithmetic logic unit. Next input output units. Next about memory, about PC stands for not personal computer, that is for program counter related to your computer basics. Next introduction to programming languages. Now which language? Now we are in the first year, first sem, C language. I'll give a C language here. Then I'll go for basics of computer program. First I will give basics of computer, then I'll go for, I need to add one more keyword before computer, that is computer program. What is computer first? I will give in the first level. Then I will go for what is program. Then I will combine these two keywords in the next level. Okay. Next, after completion of this, we are having three. TV కూడా వస్తుందా? Just mute. Enough. Let's see here. Algorithm, flowchart, pseudocode. These are the very important topics from first unit. And next, the programming part starts from programming part starts from here. Introduction to compilation and execution. So before compilation and execution compulsory, we need to write one small program, one small sample program in C language. So how to write? So what are the general syntaxes are available in writing of your C program? I'll give. In the next level, we have the data types. Different types of data types are available. What is the need of data type? What is the definition of data type? I will give in the next level. Then go for variables and constants. It means what? What's that variable? What's that constant? I think all these are completed. Data types, variables, and constants. Yes. Okay. Can I start from type conversion or from start? Okay, no problem. Next, we are having basic input output functions and operations are available. Operators are available in the next. Next, type conversion and type casting means you are already completed here in the previous case before type conversion and casting. That is data types. Okay, primitive data type. So we are converting, we are shifting from one data type to another data type format. Okay, we are shifting, we are converting from one data type format to another data type format, that is called typecasting. Okay, type conversion antaru. Next, we are having problem solving techniques. What are the problem solving techniques are available here? First one, algorithmic approach. Next, characteristics of algorithms. I'll give all those in this class. Problem solving strategies. What are the different approaches as you are identifying? What are the different strategies you are following here? We are having top down approach and bottom up approach. Top down approach, then bottom up approach. We have two concepts. Okay, two approaches, two strategies available here. In the last concept in your first unit, what are those? Time and space complexities of algorithm. What is the definition of time complexity? What is the definition of space complexity? How to calculate time complexity? How to calculate space complexity from your algorithm? I'll give you. Okay. Find out till now. So these are the topics. Then we'll go for different number of programs are started from second unit onwards. All the sample programs are available in the first unit along with the introduction. Then we'll go for the actual programming presentation. Many programs are available start from second unit to the last. Okay. Now tell me, what is the definition of a computer? What is the definition of a computer? Just stand, anyone stand in your place. Anyone from your class stand in your place. Give the definition of a computer. Anyone stand in your place. I want one person to give the definition of a computer in your own words. In your own words. Now tell me. Just don't give the answer. In. Yes. Wait. Tell me your name. Uma. Yes, tell me. Uma, what is the definition of a computer? Yes. It is an electronic device. Yes, correct. Then. Yes, this is an electronic device. Yes, we need a few more very important statements. What are the different tasks are executed from computer? It is an electronic device. Any other? Any other? I will give in the next page. You want to give, Yes. Good answer for this. Computer is an electronic device. Yes, we are accepting different arithmetic and logical operations are performed. We need to take the input. Yes. So computer accepted the input. Next level, what happens? Directly you will get the output? No, you need to process the input, then you need to go for the output. Okay, how you will get the output? So what is the need of this input? So input to output, what are the things are available? I will give here in detail. 2 minutes. All of you write this definition. Make it fast. All of you write this definition available on the screen. Then I will explain. All of you write. All of you open your notes. This is not movie. Just don't watch movie. Up to 4 to 5 hours. This is a class. All of you open your notes and along with your pen, compulsory note down very important points coming from my mouth. And if you identify very important points in this class, note down. Notes. Before leaving this campus, I will give the slides are available in this today's session. I need to forward these slides to your class representative. Then we need to forward those. We need to forward those PPTs in your WhatsApp group. Okay. Yes, two persons already given the answer for computer. What is a computer? Computer is an electronic device. Yes, correct. Computer is an electronic device which takes the input through which devices? Which takes the input through which devices? Which takes the input through input devices. Yes, correct. Which takes the input through output devices. Which takes the input through output devices. No, no. Which takes the input through which devices? Input devices. Then after computer accepting the input through input devices, computer processing the input. Computer processing. Processing means what? Program under execution. Okay. Processing means what? Immediately after writing your program, you need to execute your program. Finally, you will get the output in the next level. Okay. Computer takes the input through input devices. Okay. Then in the next level, computer process the input through processing devices. That is CPU. CPU stands for? Yes, central processing unit is a combination of how many blocks? 3 blocks. What are those? Memory. Before that, we need to have the very important unit, arithmetic logic unit, then memory unit. These two units are controlled by using control unit. Okay, remember these three. Always CPU is a combination of 3 very important blocks. Okay, arithmetic logic, your input operations are performed in ALU, your resultant value stored in memory unit, and these are the 2 units are controlled by using control unit. After completion of the execution of your input, processing of your input, the input coming out from the computer. ఇన్పుట్ లోపలికి వెళ్తుందమ్మా కంప్యూటర్, ఇన్పుట్ బయటకు వస్తుంది అంటే రిజల్ట్ వాల్యూ వస్తున్నట్టు. సో ద అవుట్పుట్ కమింగ్ అవుట్ ఫ్రమ్ ద కంప్యూటర్, యూ విల్ గెట్ ద అవుట్పుట్ త్రూ విచ్ డివైజెస్? Output devices. Now tell me the definition completed. Computer is an electronic device. Correct? Computer is an electronic device which accepts the input through input devices. Immediately computer accepting the input devices and perform different arithmetic and logical operations. Computer gives the output through output devices. I think everyone knows what are the input devices, what are the output devices. Yes, 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 yes. A device that computes. Computer means computes. So computational concept, computation started here in which year? In 1800 years. Okay, 1800 లో స్టార్ట్ అయింది కంప్యూటేషన్ అనేది. అప్పుడే కంప్యూటర్ కు ఫౌండేషన్ స్టార్ట్ అయింది. ఫౌండేషన్ స్టోన్ స్టార్టెడ్ హియర్ ఎట్ దట్ టైమ్. ఐ విల్ గివ్ ద హిస్టరీ ఆఫ్ ది కంప్యూటర్ ఆఫ్టర్ దిస్. ఇది అడ్వాన్స్డ్ మీ ల్యాబ్ లో ఉన్న కంప్యూటర్ కాదు కదా, కొద్దిగా పాతగా ఉన్న కంప్యూటర్. బట్ లుక్ ఎట్ దిస్ పిక్చర్ ఆఫ్ ఎ కంప్యూటర్ ఫ్రమ్ your lab here, but this is not the recent one. This is the oldest one. This is the oldest one. Now, which one this is? Keyboard. Keyboard gives input or output? Yes, you are accepting the input through input devices. So input here, mouse belongs to which device? Input device. And now input to output. You will get the output. You will get the output through which device? Monitor. You will get the output available on the screen. Okay, you will get the output row, output device on the screen. Your output available. So input to output with the help of CPU. Input to output. Computer accepting input through input devices. Ikkadiki helipindi. So immediately after accepting your input through input device, you need to process your input through processing device with the help of 3 blocks using ALU, and finally your resultant value stored in this. Okay, and finally need to transfer your resultant value, outcome or output, transfer to the output device. Now tell me, what is the basic input device? Basic input device, keyboard. Basic output device, all the other one, those are optional. All the other one, those are optional. Any or every computer basic input device. First one, keyboard. Next one, what is the basic output device? Mouse. మౌసా? మౌస్ ఏంటి? ఇన్పుట్ డివైస్. మౌస్ అనేది ఇన్పుట్ డివైస్, మానిటర్ అనేది అవుట్పుట్ డివైస్. అలా if you write here types of the computer, make it fast. Only write, just don't write all this. Just don't write all this. Just write the names or supercomputers, mainframes, mini computers, PCs, personal computers, also called simply microcomputers. Just don't write the complete screen here. Just don't waste the time. Here I'm giving only the points or telling. Write those points in your notes, and here I'm giving all these slides. Here I'm sharing all these slides to you before leaving this campus. I'll give the lecture notes also after completion of your first unit or second unit. Okay. Now, I'll have to write here, what are the types here? 4 types. First one, supercomputer, then mainframes, mini computer, then personal computers. Supercomputer names and information రాయద్దు. Okay, first one supercomputer, second one mainframes, third one mini computer, fourth one personal computers. Now supercomputer ఇవాళ జస్ట్ ఇప్పుడే చెప్పాను కదా. సో హూస్ ద చీఫ్ గెస్ట్ ఆఫ్ 84th కాన్వకేషన్ ఇన్ ఉస్మాన్ యూనివర్సిటీ? ఇస్రో చైర్మన్, ఇండియన్ స్పేస్ రీసెర్చ్ ఆర్గనైజేషన్ చైర్మన్ వి నారాయణన్. సో హూస్ ద చైర్మన్ ఆఫ్ ది అవర్ ఇస్రో eminent scientist who's V. Narayanan, working as a ISRO scientist and chairman, and many number of satellites launches in his hands. Chandrayaan 1, 2 also. 3 available, 3 already completed, 2 completed, 3 yes. రోవర్ ఎప్పుడు దిగిందమ్మా? 1లోనో 2లో? 1లో ఫెయిల్ అయిపోయింది మోడీ కూర్చున్నప్పుడు, 2లో రోవర్ దిగింది, మళ్ళీ 3లో ఆల్రెడీ వెళ్తుంది. Now just see here supercomputer. Now Why we need to divide? Why we need to divide the computers into number of types based on the size of the data? Based on the size of the data we need to store in that computer, divide into the number of types. Okay, large amount of information available in your hands. We need to select which computer? Supercomputer. Compared to large amount of information, we are having few more data centers are interconnected. So the information are stored in mainframes. And now next mini computers, next size personal computer. That is your computer. Okay, that is your desktop or my laptop or your mobile belongs to a personal PC, personal computer. Personal computers are exclusively used for your personal purpose. But supercomputers, mainframes, or mini computers are not for personal purpose. It's for your purpose. Okay. Supercomputers ఏంటమ్మా చెప్పండి సూపర్ కంప్యూటర్స్ ఆర్ యూజ్డ్ టు ప్రాసెస్ స్మాల్ of information or very large amount of information. Huge, not very large, huge amount of information processed. Where we are using these supercomputers? Where we are using these supercomputers? Yes, hurricanes, satellite images. Okay, navigation system, weather forecasting, navigation system, and process military war scenarios in military applications. Okay, for Indian Army military applications, all these other things are used. Very important military applications. So supercomputers, శ్రీహరికోట నుండి రాకెట్స్ లాంచ్ అయ్యాగమ్మా అక్కడ మీకు బ్లాక్ కనబడుతుంది. That block is a central processing, central control unit located in Bangalore. Okay, controlled this satellite launching from Sriharikota to the satellite space. All the systems are located in that area, in that block. Those are the supercomputers. Okay, those are not your PCs. Those are the supercomputers. Okay, and next level of computer, that is based on your data, mainframes, also called simply servers, large scale servers. Okay, large scale servers. So large scale server ante Amazon open చేస్తారు కదా, అమెజాన్ లో ఓపెన్ చేసినప్పుడు ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి కౌంట్ చేయండి, అన్ని ప్రొడక్ట్స్ ఉన్నాయి దాంట్లో కౌంట్ చేస్తారా? అన్లిమిటెడ్. And Gmail database server, Google database server, WhatsApp database server, all these are called mainframes. Okay, mainframes. A big servers are available here. From that server, the data is transferred from your mainframe to your client system. So if you are opening www.gmail.com, so immediately with the help of your valid username and password, you will get your account information within a fraction of a second using internet speed. Yes, correct? You will get your account information within a fraction of seconds based on your internet speed. Your information available in your computer, it looks like, but your information not available in your computer. Coming from which server? Gmail database server. Okay, that is mainframes. And next level of computer, mini computer. If you are in Kite institution, many systems are interconnected. Yes, many systems are available. All the systems are maintained with the help of what server? Is Kite. Okay, Kite server. SBI bank undakondi, SBI server, that is compared to Amazon, SBI belongs to small scale server. Large scale server, those are mainframes, and small scale server, those are mini computers. Okay, one institution, Kite, and Kite having a few of the branches anukundam. SBI, State Bank of India, having many branches na, in Kakinada many branches, in Hyderabad many branches, in around the India many branches, and world also many branches. All the systems are interconnected to one single server, that is equal to mainframe. And all the small scale server na, in Kakinada branch, that is mini computer. In Hyderabad branch, that is mini computer. So in India, one computer, that is mini computer. All these frames, all these servers are small scale servers. All these small scale servers are interconnected to one big mainframe, that is large scale server. Okay, mainframe. Okay, mainframe computer, large scale server antaru. Small scale servers, if lab 1 ఉంది అనుకోండి అమ్మ, 60 systems are interconnected to one lab 1. Okay, lab 1 server, and lab 2 having 60 more systems, and 2 servers are interconnected. If these 2 servers are interconnected, means how many systems are interconnected? Total 120 systems. If you're having 60 more systems available in lab 3, so these 3 servers are interconnected. If these 3 servers are interconnected, finally how many systems are interconnected? 120 or 180. 180 systems are interconnected. Okay, so these 3 servers are maintained with the help of one single server. So that single server is called mainframe. These 3 servers are called mini computers, and in your lab, all those computers, those are personal computers. 6180 systems, na? I think got an idea, na? So how many types? 4 types. Supercomputer based on a large scale, a huge amount of information we can maintain in that supercomputer, and next level based on the size, we are decreasing into mainframes, and we are decreasing into small scale server, mini computer, and microcomputer, also called simply personal computers. Any doubt in this four? All these are this network. But before that, just write here, all of you. Computers have two main parts. Many number of times this one available in your final exam. Computers have two main parts. What are those two main parts? There are two basic parts that make up a computer here. That is computer hardware. Second, computer software. Computer hardware, and next, second, computer software. See all those. You can see the software, you can see the hardware, but we can physically touch with your fingers. That is called hardware. Can't touch with your fingers physically. That is called software. Or instructions. Yes, నేను దీన్ని టచ్ చేశానంటే కరెక్టా? మీరు దేని టచ్ చేశారు? మానిటర్ టచ్ చేశారు. ఏంటది? అవుట్పుట్ డివైస్. అవుట్పుట్ డివైస్ అంటే హార్డ్వేరా సాఫ్ట్వేరా? సాఫ్ట్వేరా? హార్డ్వేరా? రెండు కదా? రెండు కాకపోతే ఏదో ఒకటి కావాలి కదా. So hardware only. This one display system now. Display system belongs to hardware device. లోపల ఉన్న డిస్ప్లే టచ్ చేస్తారా మీరు? లోపల టచ్ చేయాలంటే బ్రేక్ చేయాలి. బ్రేక్ చేసినా కూడా అది పట్టమంటది. ఓకే, సో వీఆర్ నాట్ టచింగ్ ద సాఫ్ట్వేర్. జస్ట్ we can see only the software. We can execute only the instructions. We can't touch physically with your fingers. We can touch. You can see hardware and software. Can't see. You can see. You can see both. Yes, hardware, software, but you can't touch physically with your fingers. That is called computer software. We can touch physically with your fingers. That is called hardware. I'll give in the next. Just write first one, computer hardware. First, all of you write about the computer hardware. Make it fast. We'll close within few minutes. All this, then go for generation, then go for including prototypes. What is computer hardware? Computer hardware is the physical part of the system, comma, the machinery and equipment. What is the computer hardware? నేను నోట్ చేసుకోమని నోట్ చేసుకోండి. కంటెంట్ స్కిప్ చేస్తాను. Parts of the computer you can see. Parts of the computer. Put your mobile in silent mode. All of you put your mobiles in silent mode and put your mobile in your bags. Just don't carry your mobiles with your fingers. Just don't take any photographs. I'll give all these slides. What is the computer hardware? Is a physical part of the computer system, the machinery and also assembly equipment. You can see the hardware devices. Yes, laptop we can see, and keyboard we can see. Yes, correct. All the devices you can see, and you can touch physically with your fingers. Yes, correct. You can touch physically. And UPS and this monitor, mobile device. All these are hardware devices. In mobile, we are having Android operating system. Yes, correct. Android operating system. If you are having Apple phone, in your Apple phone, we are having iOS. So iOS ni touch chestara. iOS ni touch cheste mobile device ni touch chestinatte. Hardware device kada adi. So we are having all application programs are available here. WhatsApp, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook. Many applications are available. All those are also called software applications. Okay, we can touch WhatsApp. Yes, we can touch WhatsApp. If you are touching WhatsApp means just you are touching screen, that's it. Okay, touch screen, that is once again hardware device. Okay, now just go for here. What are the hardware components? All of you write. Only few are given on the screen. Only few are given on many hardware device available. Many hardware components are available. Many hardware components are available here. Hardware is basically anything that you can touch with your fingers. Hardware is basically anything that you can touch with your fingers. Computer case, CPUs. Hardware is basically anything that you can touch with your fingers. Computer case, CPU, central processing unit, and having with the help of different blocks are available in that CPU box, case, keyboard, mouse, all these are hardware devices, correct? So we are not specifying input output. All these are hardware device or not. Output device also hardware device. Input device also hardware device. Okay, combination of processing device also hardware device. CPU input of computer case is equals to your hardware device. All these are hardware device. CD stands for. I'll give. I'll have to write here computer hardware. Computer hardware divided into three categories. There are three types of categories. Number of times this question available from your first unit. Number of times this one available in your first unit. There are three categories and types of your computer hardware. First one, input devices. Second, output devices. Third, storage devices. Input devices, output devices, storage devices. There are three categories are available here. First one, input devices. Second, output devices. Third, storage devices. Yes, correct? There are the three types of categories are available in your computer hardware. There are three categories are available in your computer hardware. Input, output, and storage. What is the need of this input device? Calculator open chesarama. You have selected calculator. I need to perform one operation. One operation means 2 plus 3 I want to calculate. You know the answer. You know the answer. 2 plus 3 equal to 5. So 2 plus 3 type చేసి చూస్తున్నారు వస్తుందా 5? ఏం ప్రాసెస్ చేయాలి? Need to press the equal button. Equal button అంటే ప్రాసెసింగ్ చేసేస్తుంది. Final గా you will get the operation, arithmetic operation, addition operation. You will get the resultant value on the screen on your calculator. Yes. 2 plus 3 belongs to input. So equal to button belongs to processing, and 5 available on the screen once again, that is equals to output. Okay. Finally, if you want to store that value also, we can store up to 10 or 2. And we can store many number of things in your computer. Calculator, we can store up to sometime. Okay, up to some bytes or bits. And now I'll go for at that time memory storage devices. Then first you need to go for the first one, input device. All of you write the first one, input device. Make it fast. I'll close within few minutes. Input devices. Input means what? Input basically means what? It's a data, also information. Input basically means getting data into the computer to be processed. Input basically means getting data into the computer to be processed. Input means called simply data or also called information. And what are the different input devices are available here? The basic input device, that is keyboard, then mouse, then trackball, touchpad, light pen, laser, scanner. Scanner is an input device or output device? Input device. Printout, output device. Xerox machine, output device. Speaker, display, TV, output device. Okay. And touch screen, input device. Barcode reader, DMart కి వెళ్తారు కదా, DMart కి వెళ్ళినప్పుడు రీడ్ చేసుకున్నారు కదా. So barcode reader belongs to input device or output device? Input device. Next, scanner, input device. Microphone, input device. Joystick, if you are playing, now you are not playing with the elbow joystick, you are playing a number of games using your mobile. Yes, correct? What's your favorite game? Free Fire, huh? Yes, I got the answer. Free Fire. Any other game? Ludo. Ludo. Yes. Any other? PUBG or PUBG? Yes. You belongs to which generation? Which mobile generation people you belongs to? Fifth generation mobile communication. Reels generation. Not fifth generation. Reels generation people you are. My wife name Usharane and myself. CSC department. Usharane belongs to mechanical department, and I have studying 6th class. Engata doing daily one reel compulsory. Doing daily one reel. Many of the reels are available, and I created one channel. I don't know how to create channel. I learned how to create channel, how to make a reel also. So compulsory, if one reel, I don't want to give. Okay, I will give to one person after, if possible. Compulsory, she wants to do one reel daily after coming from the institution, from VNR VJIT, compulsory after refreshment. So after coming out from the school, she wants to do one reel compulsory. Reel generation now you belongs to. So many of the songs are popular. Many of the, she knows I think up to 3 to 4 languages with the help of Geo. China, Japan, I don't know language, but she returns China and Japan language. What that? I don't know. Korea. Who's that? Korean people gang? Yes, BTS. Na. She wants.
You belong to green generation now. Let's answer input device or output device. Yes, you sometimes you record now. So I give compulsory, I need to give smart breaks. After I think like 12 o'clock or 12:30, you're not ready. Good. Okay. Next, output device, make it fast. Output means 25. Oh, break. Wait. The break and the breaker. What? What is wrong? No, keyboard belongs to basic input device. What's the name of this now? మౌస్ ఎందుకు అనాలమ్మా దీన్ని? కీబోర్డ్ అంటే ఏం లేదు. ఒక బోర్డ్ కి నంబర్ ఆఫ్ కీస్ ఉన్నాయి. దట్ బిలాంగ్స్ టు కీబోర్డ్. Why can I call it this belongs to a mouse? This is input device or output device? Input device. Why we are calling it looks like right or mouse? Unbetter. Huh? Why we are calling this belongs to a mouse? That belongs to input device. Any history available for that? Any reason available? No. Now, a few years back, at my time, compulsory we are searching for the new things in Google. Yes, correct? Now you are searching it? ChatGPT is the popular one. That is generative AI, generative picture intelligence. That is my domain in PhD and cloud security. One more domain in my PhD. Combination of cloud computing plus network security. So the two domains, the favorite domains. Generative AI, Open AI, and cloud security. These are the three popular domains in my research work. Artificial intelligence is the popular one. Yes, correct? So ruling the world. Artificial intelligence, my favorite subject. And
this subject in my institution. And now go for this output device. Output device. What is the need of the output? That is your main aim. So 5 factorial means what? 5 factorial means what? 5 factorial means what? 120. 0 factorial? 0 runner. Just stand in your place. So 0 factorial, 1 factorial. 1 2 1 na? 0 factorial, 1 factorial, 1 only. 2 factorial, 2. 3 factorial, 3 into 2 into 1, 6. 4 factorial, 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, 24. 24 into 5, 120 into 6, 6 factorial, 720. Okay, 722. Oh, your favorite number 2. Adjust nara. No, just don't add. 720 belongs to the valid one. So you are expecting the output that is equal to 720. If you are pressing 6 factorial belongs to input. 6 factorial to 720. In between 6 factorial to 720, that is called processing. What is the difference in between input and output? What is called processing? I will give with the help of one real-time example. Now I want watermelon juice in summer. So how to prepare watermelon juice? Directly we need to take watermelon and put that watermelon in grinder. No, that is not the valid one. That is not the valid case. Your input watermelon, yes, but your output watermelon juice. Just don't put directly watermelon into the grinder. That is not the step. We need to execute the number of steps according to your algorithm. First, we need to refresh that watermelon using water. Then cut that watermelon and remove all the trash pieces. Collect all the red pieces, and all the red pieces are more into one grinder bowl, and you are adding yes, milk, and if you want to add sugar, milk maid, or anything, your wish. Yes, correct? Yes. In the next level, direct చూసుకుంటే కూర్చుంటే అవుతుందా? We need to switch on the grinder. We need to switch on the grinder. Yes, correct? What happened? Mixie jar. Yes, mixie jar lo వేసేసారు. Yes, correct? Then switch on that mixie jar. Finally you will get what? Your output available. Your output. No, that is not the valid. Just don't put. I think many of the girls are no cooking. I think no cooking. Direct Zomato Swiggy. Oh, that's not the valid. Always Zomato Swiggy means that is not the valid one. Enough. Settle down fast. Even outside చూస్తున్నారు అందరు. వాటర్ మిలన్ జ్యూస్ కావాలా? బయట లేదే. నేను వాటర్ మిలన్ తెస్తున్నారా? అందరు తెస్తున్నారా? ఓకే ఓకే వెయిట్ చేద్దాం. తీసుకొస్తున్నారు ఎవరైనా? నో water million. What is your output? Yes. Now I'll give one more example for this. Milk available. We need to process the milk. If you process your milk belongs to input. If you process the milk, then you will get curd. Okay, that is output. If you process your curd, buttermilk. So if you process your buttermilk, you will get butter. Okay, butter. If you process your butter, you will get ghee. If you process your ghee process chestara. No, just you are adding your ghee, and finally you are making pure ghee sweets, Kakinada Gaza. Like that. Yes, correct. Yes. So what is your input first level? Milk processing that process చేయకుండా హీట్ చేయకుండా కర్డ్ స్మాల్ కర్డ్ యాడ్ చేయకుండా కర్డ్ వస్తుందా? నో ఛాన్స్. సో కర్డ్ ని ప్రాసెస్ చేస్తేనే యూ విల్ గెట్ బటర్ మిల్క్ ప్రాసెస్ చేస్తేనే యూ విల్ గెట్ బటర్, దెన్ ఘీ. సో మిల్క్ టు ఘీ different levels are available. Same here. Input, we need to process the input, you will get the output. Okay, so that is your expected. So direct గా మిల్క్ ప్రాసెస్ చేయగానే ఘీ వస్తుందా? No. Okay, so we need to process in different levels. Finally, you will get the expected output in the last level. So what are the different output devices? Monitor, printer, speakers, headphones, modem, and fax. Over this one, output basically means what? Getting data out from the computer. Get data moves into the computer, that is called input. Data coming out from the computer, that is called output. I think got the difference in between input and output. So computer local the processing. That's it. Okay. So input to output, we are having processing. Next, after completion of processing, we are doing storage. Compulsory, we need to store the resultant values. Store the resultant values. All of you write this one. Make it fast. Storage devices are both input and output device in one. A storage device is a place to keep data that has been processed. ప్రాసెస్ చేసిన తర్వాత స్టోర్ చేస్తారు. ఇప్పుడు ఒక్కడ చిన్న ఎగ్జాంపుల్ అమ్మా, వాటర్ మిలన్ నుండి ఏమొచ్చింది? వాటర్ మిలన్ జ్యూస్. దేంట్లో ఉంది అది? మిక్సీ జార్లో ఉంది. మిక్సీ జార్ పట్టుకొని తాగుతారా? దీంట్లో సర్వ్ చేసుకోవాలి కదా, ఫ్రిడ్జ్ లో బాటిల్లో స్టోర్ చేసుకోవాలి కదా, గ్లాస్ లో పోసుకోవాలి కదా. సో గ్లాస్ బిలాంగ్స్ టు వన్ కంటైనర్, దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ స్టోరేజ్ డివైస్. కరెక్ట్. కంటైనర్ బిలాంగ్స్ టు యువర్ స్టోరేజ్ డివైస్. ఓకే, సర్వ్ చేయాలంటే గ్రైండర్ పట్టుకుని మనకి పోస్తారా? ఇట్స్ నాట్ ఫేర్. పోయకండి. ఓకే, ఇట్స్ నాట్ ద వాల్యూ వన్. Can be received or retrieved your data and stored in storage device. What are the storage devices? Hard disk, floppy disk, CDs, DVDs, magnetic tape. All these are outdated. Hard drive still available. Hard disk still available. Floppy disk, CDs, DVDs, magnetic tape. All these are outdated one. What is the difference in between update and outdate? What is the difference and update? Update go outdate difference ఏంటమ్మా? సో మీరు యాప్ ఓపెన్ చేసినప్పుడు అప్డేట్ అని అడుగుతుంది కదా. సో యూఆర్ యాడింగ్ ఫ్యూ ఫీచర్స్ ఇన్ దట్. yes, correct. ఫోన్ పే, గూగుల్ పే, ఆర్ యువర్ ఆపరేటింగ్ సిస్టమ్ ఆల్సో యూఆర్ అప్డేటింగ్ or updating. Updating means you are adding few features in that. Yes, correct. Adding few flavors in that. Now we are in fifth generation, means the foundation for mobile communication, that is equal to first generation. Next, second, next, third, next, fourth. Now we are in fifth generation. Already sixth generation released in Japan. They are using sixth generation communication. In sixth generation, petabytes of information downloaded within a fraction of seconds. Peta means what? You don't know? Yes, I'll give. Over this one, Now, just tell me, 1 byte equal to how many bits? Write in your notes. 1 byte equal to 8 bits. 1 byte equal to 8 bits. Yes, correct? 1 byte equal to 8 bits. 32 bits equal to how many bytes? Write in your notes. 32 bits equal to 32 bits equal to 32 bits ను డివైడ్ బై 8 చేయాలంతే. 4 కదా. ఎస్ 4 into 8 32 నా. How many bytes? 64 bits. 8 bytes. 5 bytes equal to how many bits? Right. కొన్ని ఎగ్జాంపుల్ రాస్తే మీకు క్లారిటీ ఉంటుంది. 5 ఎన్ని bytes కదా? 5 bytes equal to how many bits? 5 into 8. 40 bits దగ్గర byte into 8 చేయాలి అంతే కదా. 5 into 8. ఎనీ కన్ఫ్యూజన్ ఇన్ దిస్? సో అందుకే ఆ బాక్స్ లో పెట్టండి. 1 byte equal to 8 bits ఉంటే కన్ఫ్యూజన్ ఉండదు. నౌ టెల్ మీ 2 power 0 1 అంతేనా? 2 power 0, A power 0, B power 0, Kite power 0, Srikanth power 0, CSC power 0. 1 Think logically and give the answer for this. Yes, 1 ante kada. 2 power 0, 2 power 1 2 power 0 1, 2 power 1 మళ్ళా 1 అంటారు. 2 power 1 2, 2 power 2, 2 power 3 6 అట 6 2 power 3, 2 power 4, 2 power 5 6 7 8 256 9 5 12 2 power 10. Write in your notes 2 power 10. Write in your notes 2 power 10 equal to 1024. 2 power 10 equal to 1024 equal to 1 kilo. 1 kilo is not equal to exactly 1000. According to your computer language, 1 k equal to 1024. Okay, that is equal to 2 power 10. 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 256, 2 power 9, 5 12, 2 power 10, 1024. Remember, this is very important calculation. 1024 equal to 1 kilo equal to 10 power. Right, correct. In the next line, right. 1 kilo equal to 1k. 1k equal to 10 power 3. 1k, that is equal to 10 power 3. 1 mega equal to 1 capital M equal to 10 power 6 plus 3 add చేయడంతే. 1 kilo equal to 10 power, 1 mega equal to 10 power, 1 giga equal to 10 power, right, 9. 1 giga equal to 10 power 9. 1 GB, 2 GB, 3 GB అంటాం కదా. సో 1 GB అంటే 1 G అంటే 10 power 9 into bytes. 1 gigabytes అంటాం కదా. గిగా దగ్గర ఏం చేయాలి? 10 power 9. Tell me 1 kilo equal to 1 mega 10 power 6. 1 giga 10 power 9. 1 tera 10 power 12. 1 TB, 2 TB hard disk అంటాం కదా. 1 TB, 2 TB hard disk అంటాం. 1 T, that is equal to 10 power. Just remember the last one, 1 peta equal to 10 power. Guess the answer. Plus 3, that's it. 10 power 15. Remember, put this one in box. Up to 1 peta. 1 kilo 10 power 3, 1 mega 10 power 6, 1 giga 10 power 9, 1 tera 10 power 12, 1 petabyte 10 power 15. 10 power 15 bytes of information downloaded within fraction of seconds using 6th generation mobile communication in Japan. Already still we are using. Okay. Still we are using only 5th generation. Only gigabytes of information we are downloaded with the help of 5G. They are downloading not tera, petabytes of information. Okay. And now these are outdated. Floppy disk, CDs. Floppy disk occupies right here. One floppy disk occupies 1.44 MB. This is very important point. Storage capacity of floppy disk. Storage capacity and రాయండి side heading కింద floppy disk. Storage capacity side heading right in this. Storage capacity side heading right in this. Floppy disk, that is the first storage device. Outdated one, we are not using floppy disk use చేస్తున్నారు ఎవడన్నా floppy disk అని చూపిస్తాను ఉంది స్క్రీన్ లో. ఓకే, floppy disk occupies 1.44 MB, only 1.44 MB, 1.5 MB only. Floppy disk capacity 1.44 MB. And next level of storage capacity, CD. CD stands for in bracket, right, compact disk. Compact disk. CD stands for compact disk. One CD equal to 600 to 700 MB. 600 to 700 megabytes. Few of the CDs occupy 600 MB. Few of the CDs are occupied 700 MB also. In between 600 to 700 MB megabytes of storage capacity available for your CD, compact disk. So next level of updated storage capacity, that is DVD. Still we are not using, this is outdated one. DVD stands for digital video disc or digital versatile disc. DVD capacity equal to 4.7 GB. 4.7 gigabytes of information. One CD entama 600 MB, one floppy entama 1.5 MB ante, only 1.5 MB. 500 or 550 floppies equal to one CD. Okay, 8 or 7 CDs equal to one DVD. Okay, one DVD equal to, tell me the capacity of DVD, 4.7 GB. Now we are using flash memory, means pen drives. Pen drive pen drive means what? Flash memory. So we are using 8 GB, okay, 16 GB, 32 GB, 64 GB, 128 GB. With my hands, 256 GB pen drive available, and 1 terabytes of 2 terabytes of external hard disk also available. Okay, storage capacity, that is external memory, flash memory antaru. Okay, so flash memory, outdated or updated one. Now we are using flash memory, pen drive. Now still this is also using in few criteria, but many number of times just we are using only cloud. So cloud we are using. Okay, you are storing in cloud, in Gmail, in Google Drive. Yes, correct. So each and every content just you are carrying with the help of Gmail only. ఇంతకుముందు మనం నెట్ లేకపోయినప్పుడు క్యారీ చేసేవాళ్ళము పెన్ డ్రైవ్ లో. ఇప్పుడు అవసరం లేదు కదా, డైరెక్ట్ గా ఫైల్స్ అని కట్ చేస్తున్నారు, లేకపోతే వాట్సాప్ సెండ్ ఆర్ షేర్ టు యువర్ వాట్సాప్. సో data available in terms of text, data available in terms of numbers, data available in terms of image, audio, video. So only 5 types of data items are available. What are those? In any application, only 5 types of data. Data items are only 5. Text, basic data item, that is text. Next, numbers. Next, image. Next, audio. Next, video. So only these 5 data items just you are sending from your application, either WhatsApp, Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook, or any application. Yes. Any other data item just you are sending from your application other than these 5? No, na. Either you are sending text, either you are sending numbers, ఆర్ ఇమేజ్, ఆర్ ఆడియో, ఆర్ వీడియో. ఇంకా ఇవి కాకుండా ఏమైనా సెండ్ చేస్తున్నారు కొత్తగా? నాకు ఇవ్వండి చూద్దాం డాటా ఐటమ్ ఎలా ఉంటుంది. నోనా? సో టేక్ ఏ 5 minutes break, come back within 5 minutes. Take a 5 minutes break, come back within 5 minutes. Come back and settle down. Make it fast. Only few more minutes to lunch break. All of you occupy your chairs. Come back and settle down fast. All of you put your mobiles in your bag. Put your mobile in silent mode. And keep your mobiles in your bag. Keep your mobiles in silent mode and put your mobiles all of you in your bag. Don't carry your mobiles in your hands. That's a dangerous one. Dangerous one. With notes. Always means not 24/7, 365 days. That's not the valid one. So total daily, how many hours in every day? 26. 24 hours are divided into 3 always. 8 hours for study, 8 hours for sleep is 2. Means discuss with your friend, groupism, and watch your mobile. Not 8 hours. We are in other. Go to and discuss with you. But remember here always 8. Many of the members are not sleep in the clock. Huh? Yes? No. Stipulated time and compulsory the duration activity 8 hours. Duration for sleeping also 8 hours. But just don't sleep in our class. Okay. After lunch and before lunch also. No, already given now. Computer input devices, those are keyboard, mouse, and so on. Yes. I think I skip this one. This is mouse now. Why this one is equal to a mouse? Answer ఇవ్వలే కదా నేను మౌస్ లా ఉందనా ఇంకేమన్నా ఉందా ఆన్సర్ మధ్యలో ఎందుకు స్కిప్ అయినా అలా స్కిప్ కాకుండా ఓ ఆల్వేస్ జస్ట్ డోంట్ బ్రేక్ ద ఫ్లో ఆఫ్ ది ఫ్యాకల్టీ మెంబర్స్ ఓకే ఎస్ టెల్ మీ వై వీఆర్ చార్జ్ జీపీటీ రెడీ పెట్టేసుకున్నా మొబైల్ లేదు చార్జిపిటీ లేదు ఓకే మీ దగ్గర ఇప్పుడు మొబైల్ లేదు కాబట్టి చార్జ్ జీపీటీ కూడా లేదు సో వై వీఆర్ కాలింగ్ దట్ డివైస్ నేమ్ దట్ ఇన్పుట్ డివైస్ నేమ్ ఈక్వల్ టు మౌస్ మీన్స్ a long statement available that short form stands for that device name that is equals to a mouse manually operated user selective equipment manually operated user selective equipment short form for this statement that is called a mouse సో అక్కడ మౌస్ ఉంది లెఫ్ట్కి పోవంటే పోతుంది అది అదే ఆర్టిఫిషియల్ ఇంటెలిజెన్సా మాన్యువల్లీ ఆపరేటెడ్ నా సో మాన్యువల్లీ ఆపరేటెడ్ టు లెఫ్ట్ ఆర్ టు రైట్ ఎస్ కరెక్ట్ సో దట్ ఈస్ నాట్ ఎనీ హ్యూమనాయిడ్ రోబోట్ ఎస్ ఇన్ కైట్ స్పేస్ స్టేషన్ అవైలబుల్ ఐ థింక్ ఎస్ కరెక్ట్ స్పేస్ స్టేషన్ అవైలబుల్ humanoid robots and drone and the different stations or different devices. So those are artificial intelligent devices. Yes, correct. But this is not artificial intelligent device. Okay, this is not any Alexa or any other. We are not having any expecting answer from this mouse. Mouse is a manually operated. Yes, correct. User selective equipment. We can select either left click or right button or scroll. Yes, correct, na? So left or right or scroll down. So up or down with the help of these 3 clicks. Manually operated user. మనమే కదా సెలెక్ట్ చేసాం సెలెక్ట్ అనగా సెలెక్ట్ అవుతుంది అది పాయింట్ ఇష్టం దగ్గర సెలెక్ట్ అవుతుందా సో మాన్యువల్లీ ఆపరేటెడ్ యూజర్ సెలెక్టివ్ ఎక్విప్మెంట్ దట్ is short form for this statement that is called a mouse manually once again tell me write in your notes manually operated user selective equipment called a device hardware device now this is hardware device or software device hardware device equipment called hardware device equipment called hardware device manually operated user selective equipment manually operated user selective equipment. And I already given output devices and the monitor. Monitor means what? The monitor looks like a TV. Yes, it display now. That is output device. Basic input device. Basic input device. Cupboard. Not cupboard. This is not cupboard. Keyboard. Okay. Basic output device. Monitor. Okay. And all the other one, those are optional. Speaker, printer, projector, display, and all those are output devices here. Xerox machine, all these are the output devices. All these are the rest of the output devices. Those are the optional, but we need minimum one display monitor. Okay. Then CPU. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. Is the combination of how many blocks? 3 blocks. What are those? ALU and right side. All of you remember these 3 blocks. I'll give this diagram in the next level. CPU accepts what? Input. Okay. CPU takes the input, process the input, finally it gives watermelon juice. Yes, correct. Huh? That's not. I raseru. Example watermelon juice, watermelon rackend. So first CPU takes the input, process the input, and finally you will get the resultant output through output devices. Okay. CPU accepts the input through which devices? Input devices. CPU process the input through processing devices. Now CPU is divided into how many blocks? 3 very important blocks: ALU and memory unit. These 2 units are controlled by using control unit. Yes, many of the members are available. So all these members are controlled by using, these are the faculty members. If these 3 or 4 faculty members are moving out from this hall, many discussions and big sound without speaker also. Yes, without speaker also big sound available. That is called the control unit available in this. Okay, so control unit controls 2 very important blocks, left and right: arithmetic and logic unit and memory unit. So first accepts the input, it performs different arithmetic and logical operations. Yes, correct? It performs different arithmetic and logical operations. Finally the resultant value stored in memory unit and transferred through output devices. Stored in memory unit, transferred through output devices. Okay. Now file undi ippudu ఇక్కడ ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ అయిన అవుట్పుట్ డివైస్ స్టోర్ ఉంది కదా, నా సిస్టమ్ లో స్టోర్ అయింది కదమ్మా. సో స్టోర్ ఇన్ మై హార్డ్ డిస్క్ అండ్ ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ త్రూ పెన్ డ్రైవ్ ఆర్ transferred through output devices. That is stored in pen drive and stored in hard disk. And finally your memory unit is very important. That is called intelligence. Okay, 2 very important concepts are available in human heart and brain. Which one important? Ida rendu both ఇది లేదనుకుందాం, ఇది ఉన్నా కూడా వేస్ట్. ఇది లేకపోతే ఇది ఉన్నా కూడా వేస్ట్. జస్ట్ రిమెంబర్, we need intelligence first. We don't want artificial intelligence అనేది తీసి అవర్లో పడకండి. ఫస్ట్ artificial intelligence in our hands అంటే దేని వల్ల వచ్చిందమ్మా? ఓన్లీ విత్ ద హెల్ప్ ఆఫ్ HI, human intelligence. Who invented artificial intelligence? హ్యూమన్ బీయింగ్ ఓన్లీ నా హ్యూమన్ ఇంటెలిజెన్స్ వల్లనే ఆర్టిఫిషియల్ ఇంటెలిజెన్స్ వచ్చింది. అది మనల్ని రూల్ చేస్తున్నా అనుకోవడం రాంగ్ అమ్మ. 100 years అయిన ఆర్టిఫిషియల్ ఇంటెలిజెన్స్ కాంట్ రూల్స్ హ్యూమన్ బీయింగ్ ఇంటెలిజెన్స్. దట్ ఈస్ ఓన్లీ టు ద హెల్ప్ టు ద పర్టికులర్ హ్యూమన్ బీయింగ్. సహాయకారిగా మాత్రమే వర్క్ అవుతుందమ్మా. ఆర్టిఫిషియల్ ఇంటెలిజెన్స్ డజంట్ రూల్స్ ద world, doesn't rule the human being intelligence, doesn't overload the human intelligence. Beat chedu, always one step backward to the human being intelligence. But you need to use your intelligence in positive way. Okay, every human being intelligence accept the storage here in our brain, that is 2 petabytes of information. 2 petabytes already given up petabytes. So in our intelligence we need to store how much information? 2. Maximum it accepts up to 2 petabytes of information. If you are using in right direction, it accepts up to 2 petabytes. If you are not using in right way, so it accepts 0 bytes of information. Okay, always just remember, need to go at least 1 GB to 10 GB or 1 TB 2 TB, not up to 2 TB. Now tell me, here CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. It accepts the input and perform all the arithmetic and logical operations through ALU. Your resultant value stored in memory unit, and these are the 2 units are controlled by using control unit. And control unit transfers your resultant output value through output devices. Okay. Now this is floppy disk. Floppy disk ఇలా ఉండే అమ్మ. So it accepts storage capacity of floppy disk 1.44 MB, only 1.5 MB. And CD stands for compact disk. ROM stands for which one permanent, which one temporary. I'll give, just remember in your mind. In the next level I'll give. Okay, కొత్త కన్ఫ్యూజన్ ఉంటుంది, which one permanent, which one temporary అనేది నెక్స్ట్ లెవెల్ ఇస్తాను చూడండి, అసలు మర్చిపోయే ఛాన్స్ లేదు. CD-ROM అన్నాను కదా, CD అంటే కాంపాక్ట్ డిస్క్, ROM stands for read only memory, DVD stands for digital video disc. Okay, it looks like CD, but they can store up to 4.7 GB information. Okay, CD accepts up to 700 megabytes of information. 600 to 700, 600 few CDs are available, 650 CDs are available, up to it accepts 700 megabytes of information in one single CD. So extended, updated here into one more level, that is DVD, digital video disc, and it accepts the storage capacity increased up to 4.7 GB. And next, flash drive, pen drives. Okay, all these are the storage devices. Flash drive, pen drive, now this is a popular one. Now we are not carrying these pen drives. In the carry chesavallam compulsory, ippudu carry cheyatలేదు, just we are transferring your own files to through WhatsApp or to your Gmail or to your Google Drive through cloud is a popular one. My favorite subject also cloud computing here. So cloud services, those are IaaS, SaaS and PaaS. With the help of these services, we are executing your data into your world. Means you are transferring your data from your mobile to any mobile in the world of a cloud. How means with the help of these three services, you will get this cloud computing. Maybe it might be in third year according to your regulation. Next, what is computer software? All of you write computer software. Computer software are programs that tell the computer what to do. Program, that's a very important one. Without program, with the help of hardware also useless. Hardware undi software lekapena waste, software undi hardware lekapena waste. Combination of both are very important. Mobile undi, mobile lo Android operating system ledamma, use chestara, WhatsApp application install avutada ledu. So compulsory we need mobile device. In that mobile device we need Android operating system, and in that Android operating system we are installing all the application programs. So all the application programs are executed through internet based applications. So many of the popular social network websites are executed here through Android operating system, and your data is transferred within a fraction of seconds from your mobile to any other mobile in the world through WAN, through internet, wide area network. Now computer software are programs that tell the computer what to do. అంటే డైరెక్షన్ ఇస్తుంది, కంప్యూటర్ కు డైరెక్షన్ ఇచ్చేది ఏంటమ్మా? సాఫ్ట్వేర్. వితౌట్ సాఫ్ట్వేర్ దానికి డైరెక్షన్ తెలియదు. ఇప్పుడు మనకు డైరెక్షన్ ఇచ్చేది ఏంటమ్మా? నేను మాట్లాడుతున్నా, నాకు దాంట్లో పవర్ ఉంది అంటే ఏంటది? ఇంటెలిజెన్స్. ఓకే, డైరెక్షన్ ఇచ్చేది ఏంటి? బ్రెయిన్. హార్ట్ ఆఫ్ ది కంప్యూటర్ ఏంటో చెప్తాను, తర్వాత తెలుస్తుంది. బ్రెయిన్ ఆఫ్ ది కంప్యూటర్ ర్యామ్ రోమా రెండా? Now these are the only few examples. Just don't write only one or two examples. Just write only the statement available computer software or programs that tell the computer what to do. Microsoft Word program, C program, C++ program, Notepad statement. All these are the examples for software. Yes, correct. Operating system, application program, WhatsApp. All these are the things are available in your computer system. Those are the example for a software. Yes, correct. Software means instructions are available and it gives the direction to the computer. It gives a direction to the hardware device. Without hardware device, software also available in your hand, useless. Without software, hardware device also useless. Combination of both only. The thing is executed here in the next level. Lift undamma, mana కాలేజీలో కానీ ఎక్కడికైనా వెళ్ళినా లిఫ్ట్ ఉంటుంది, ఎలివేటర్ ఉంటుంది కదా. So how the elevator works? First we are having the installation of elevator and we are executing one program available in that elevator. So with the help of that elevator only, it works. Okay, elevator works only with the help of backend program. So one కొట్టగానే 1 దగ్గరనే అవుతుందా, 2 దగ్గర అవుతుందా? 1 దగ్గరనే అవుతుంది. 1 దగ్గర అవ్వకుండా కిందికి పైకి వెళ్తుందా? అది వెళ్ళదు కదా. సో బ్యాక్ ఎండ్ one program available here. So compulsory elevator hardware device available. It works what to do. ఎలివేటర్ కు డైరెక్షన్స్ ఇచ్చేది ఏంటి? బ్యాక్ ఎండ్ ప్రోగ్రామ్. 1 కొట్టగానే 1 వచ్చేస్తుంది, 2 కొట్టగానే 2, G అంటే G గ్రౌండ్ ఫ్లోర్, సో -1 అంటే సెలార్. సో హౌ ద ఎలివేటర్ వర్క్స్? ఓన్లీ బ్యాక్ ఎండ్ ప్రోగ్రామ్. Without back end program, elevator won't works. So elevator means lift. Lift to the hardware device. So compulsory how the elevator moves up and down with the help of direction means back end software available. Without software it works. Without software it works. No chance. Okay. So software plays a very important role. You can see the software, but you can't touch the software with your fingers. You can touch physically with your fingers. That is computer hardware or software? Hardware only. Now just write here how do computer works. First computer accepts what? Input, and next process the input. Finally you will get what? Output. Input. Just don't write here all this. I'll skip this slide. So how the computer works? Computer accepts what? Input. Input I think everyone knows. Based on your requirement, you need to take the information through input devices, and you need to process through processing devices through CPU with the help of 3 blocks, ALU and memory unit and control unit. Finally, the resultant value coming out from the CPU through output devices. Okay, based on your expected output. Now all these are input keyboard, special keywords and so on. Many slides are available. All of you write random access memory, RAM. ROM అనేది చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ అమ్మా. కొంచెం కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవుతున్నారు చాలా. సో కన్ఫ్యూజ్ కాకుండా ఇప్పుడు చెప్పేస్తాను. జస్ట్ డోంట్ రైట్ ఆల్ దిస్. Random stands for right. RAM stands for just right. RAM stands for random access memory. RAM stands for random access memory, and ROM stands for read only memory. Random access memory, ROM stands for read only memory. Which one permanent, which one temporary? Which one temporary? Which one temporary? RAM is temporary. All of you write. RAM is temporary memory. Em రాయకండి దాంట్లో. RAM is temporary memory. Remember only one, the other one other case. ఒక్కటి గుర్తుంచుకోండి, కన్ఫ్యూజ్ కావద్దు. రెండు గుర్తుంచుకోవద్దు ఎప్పుడైనా. ఓకే, RAM is what? Temporary memory. ROM is what? Permanent. That's it. Default permanent na. RAM అనేది టెంపరీ అయినప్పుడు, ROM అనేది పర్మనెంట్ మెమరీ. ర్యాండమ్ యాక్సెస్ మెమరీ పవర్ ఆఫ్ చేయగానే వెళ్ళిపోతుంది. అదే సిడీలో మీరు రైట్ చేసిన ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ దాన్ని బ్రేక్ చేసేంత వరకు ఉంటుంది కదా. సో దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ పర్మనెంట్ మెమరీ. ఏదైనా ఒకటి గుర్తుంచుకోండి, ర్యామ్ ఈస్ టెంపరీ మెమరీ, రోమ్ ఈస్ పర్మనెంట్ మెమరీ. విచ్ వన్ టెంపరీ? Many number of times this question will ask at the time of placements, interviews and so on. Random access memory, RAM is temporary memory. When the power goes off, the data removed from RAM or ROM? RAM means temporary. Okay, the data stays up to the last in ROM, read only memory. Power వెళ్ళిపోయినా ఒక్క బ్రేక్ చేస్తే తప్ప దానిలోకి వెళ్ళి మెమరీ పోదు. ఓకే, సో ర్యాండమ్ యాక్సెస్ మెమరీ, RAM is temporary memory, ROM is permanent memory. Okay, any doubts? No. Any confusion? Remember only one, RAM is ROM, RAM. Left, right. Read only memory. It is a second kind of computer memory. ROM, read only memory. This memory is permanent. RAM, random access memory, this is temporary, and ROM, read only memory, which is permanent. Don't write all of you all the information. This memory is permanent work random ante. Mita and the slide ichesta. Okay, just don't read all this. I'll give all these slides. I'll give all the PPT slides when I'm leaving from this campus today. A second kind of computer memory is ROM, read-only memory. Which one? Permanent. Random access memory, which is temporary memory. So ఏం రాకండి రోమ్ అనేది పర్మనెంట్ అని రాయండి అంతే. ఏం రాదని చెప్పినా జస్ట్ డోంట్ రైట్ ఎనీథింగ్. Read only memory which is permanent, that's it. What are the parts of the computer inside? All this. Okay, so just don't draw any diagram chance ledu. Okay, now all this computer hardware is a combination of hard drive, motherboard, sound card, video card, memory card, power supply, NIC. NIC ante NIC. I'll have to write here computer hardware, and the CPU is a combination of all these. CPU is a combination of all these. Hard drive, motherboard, sound etla vastudamma? Yes. Using video card. Okay, display VGA card అంటారు. డిస్ప్లే దేని వల్ల వస్తుందమ్మా? ఈ బ్యాక్ ఎండ్ లో డిస్ప్లే కార్డ్ ఉంది. ఓకే, how the sound coming out from your desktop system or laptop system? Only with the help of sound card. Okay, and power supply, we need power supply. So power supply, that is very important. So with the help of power supply only all these are the things are executed. Now, so how this one display available in your hands? Only with the help of power. Yes, correct. How my laptop are displayed? Only with the help of power. How all these lights are lightning here? Only with the help of power. Yes, correct. How all these functions, how all these fans are working here? Only with the help of power. How all these are sitting and here standing here? Only with the help of power available in our human body. If the power goes off from the human body, I think everyone knows. Okay, so power available in our hands. Power, that power plays a very important role. So power, I think everyone knows. Intelligence and heart, these three things are very important. Okay, in a human body, in computer also. In computer also these three things are important. Power, okay, here I'm speaking means only with the help of power. If heart goes stop there, compulsory power out from the human body. So power, intelligence and heart, these three things are very important to the human body and computer also. And tell me here, intelligence for the computer intelligence entamade memory. Okay, and computer heart of the computer, that is motherboard. Heart of the computer, that is motherboard. Okay, NIC stands for all of you, right? Network interface card. You will get in the next level, I think. Just don't write, all of you. Okay, hard drive అంటే 1 TB hard drive, 2 TB hard disk అంటాం కదమ్మా. హార్డ్ డిస్క్ అంటాం కదా, 1 TB 2 TB. సో it can store. All of you just remember here, now you are in first year now. If you want to purchase your laptop, no problem. If you want to purchasing your laptop in the next level, just remember, all of you write the configuration in your notes. So first we need to purchase your laptop with the help of the updated one, that is SSD configuration. This is HDD configuration, hard disk drive. Now that new technology come into the picture here. So SSD technology available in my laptop. SSD, secondary storage device, SSD. Compulsory remember here, SSD 256 GB or 512 GB SSD. First, all of you write, if you want to purchase a laptop, this is a configuration. First you need to write here, if you want to purchase a laptop, desktop or purchase here, laptop purchase cheyandi. That is very important for CSE people up to final year, after final year also. SSD technology una laptop purchase cheyali. Okay, either 250 GB, 256 GB SSD or 512 GB SSD based on your budget. Okay, based on your budget. Then i5 or i7 processor. i5 or i7 processor. i9, i11 also available, but just don't purchase. Big amount of budget available for that. i5 and i7 little bit expensive. So within your budget, i5, but just don't purchase i3 processor. Updated one, i5 or i7 processor. And the RAM configuration for 16 GB. Okay, 16 GB RAM compulsory available. Okay, 16 GB RAM. RAM compulsory. So i5 or i7 based on your budget. So compulsory SSD check on undalima. So TV on off cheyagane itla off cheyagane shut down cheyagane within a few seconds the power goes off from the TV. Yes, correct. But in the mundu laptop on cheyalanna, system on cheyalanna 2 to 3 minutes pattedi. ఇప్పుడు నా ల్యాప్టాప్ షట్ డౌన్ చేయాలంటే 2 సెకండ్స్ లో షట్ డౌన్ అవుతుంది, ఆన్ చేయగానే 2 సెకండ్స్ లో ఆన్ అవుతుంది. 2 seconds like TV switch on and off. So using this SSD technology. Okay, now the popular technology now in our hand, that is SSD technology. Okay, so need to purchase this laptop configuration. Next, this is hard disk. The hard disk available in your desktop system. Next, the back side of this hard disk. Okay, ఇలా ఉంటుంది హార్డ్ డిస్క్ లోపల CPU. మీకు ఐటీ వర్క్ షాప్ ఉంటే మీకు అన్ని assemble చేయడం నేర్పిస్తారు. Okay, assemble all the devices in your CPU. Show all, just give the instruction here to your teaching staff or non-teaching staff. Any one CPU that is not working, so just open that CPU and verify what are the different parts available in your computer that is in CPU. Okay, central processing unit. So what are the central processing unit parts are available? First, hard drive. This is storage device. 1 TB, 2 TB storage device. Hard disk la back side or front side la untadi. Next, hard disk drives. All of you, a very important point. Hard disk drive can spin. Hard disk drive can spin at 7,200 or more RPMs, revolutions per minute. 7,200 revolutions per minute. Rotate అవుతుంది ఇది within a fraction of minute. Hard disk drives can spin at 7,200 or more RPMs. That means in 1 minute, the hard drive spins around more than 7,200 times. లోపల మీరు ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేయగానే ఇప్పుడు అక్కడ స్పిన్ అవుతుంది హార్డ్ డ్రైవ్. ల్యాప్టాప్ లో కీబోర్డ్ కింద ఉంటుంది, సిపియు ఉంటుంది కీబోర్డ్ కింద, అన్ని థిన్ స్పేస్ లో ఉంటాయి. బట్ సిపియులో ఇలా అంత థిక్ స్పేస్ లో సైజ్ లిటిల్ బిట్ లార్జ్ కంపేర్ టు యువర్ ల్యాప్టాప్. ఓకే, సిపియు బాక్స్ అనేది ఉందా అమ్మ ల్యాప్టాప్ ఏం లేదు కదా. సో అన్ని దాంట్లోనే ఇలా కీబోర్డ్ కింద ఉంటాయి. హార్డ్ డిస్క్ అయినా ఏదైనా దాన్ని కీబోర్డ్ కింద ఉంటాయి, కంఫర్ట్ జోన్ లో ఉంటాయి. Or just 7,200 RPM, just write only one statement. Hard disk spins in 1 minute. How many number of times? 7,200 RPMs, revolutions per minute. అట్లా తిరుగుతుంటే డాటా బయటకు వస్తుంది. ఓకే, ఇలా ఇది ఉంది కదమ్మా, లోపల అలా ఉంటుంది, ఇలా ఉంటుంది స్పిన్. ఓకే, తిరుగుతూ ఉంటుంది. And this is the heart of the computer, motherboard. Okay, ఇలా ఉంటది. ఇక్కడ ర్యామ్ స్పేస్ ఉంటుందమ్మా, ఇలా ర్యామ్ స్పేస్. అండ్ దిస్ వన్ బిలాంగ్స్ టు ప్రాసెసర్ స్పేస్. ఒకసారి మీ నాన్ టీచింగ్ స్టాఫ్ ఆ టీచింగ్ స్టాఫ్ కు చెప్పి సిపియు ఓపెన్ చేసి ఉండండి, అంటే వర్కింగ్ కానీ సిపియు ఉంటుంది కదా. సో జస్ట్ ఓపెన్ దట్ సిపియు అండ్ వెరిఫై ఆల్ దీస్ పార్ట్స్ ఇన్ యువర్ సిపియు ఇన్ డెస్క్టాప్ సిస్టమ్. Okay, this one belongs to motherboard. And now all of you write, your computer couldn't work without the motherboard. All the connections are coming out from the motherboard. Okay, all the connections are coming out from the motherboard. అన్ని కనెక్షన్స్ కు మదర్ బోర్డ్ కే ఉంటాయి. మదర్ బోర్డ్ నుండే రన్ అవుతుందమ్మా. మన ఫంక్షన్స్ అన్ని ఎక్కడ నుండి అవుతున్నాయి? హార్డ్ నుండి. ఓకే, ఇంటెలిజెన్స్ ఆర్ కమింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ యువర్ బ్రెయిన్. ఓకే, ఆల్ ద functioning operations are executed from your heart of the computer, motherboard, brain of the computer, CPU and memory also. Okay, and sound and video card ఇలా ఉంటాయి అమ్మా. సౌండ్ వీడియో కార్డ్ ఇలా ఉంటాయి. ఓకే, సౌండ్ కార్డ్ పెడితే సౌండ్ వస్తుంది ఇలా. ఓకే, టీవీలో సౌండ్ కార్డ్ ఉంటేనే బయటకు వస్తుంది సౌండ్, స్పీకర్ వస్తుంది. వీడియో కార్డ్ ఉంటేనే డిస్ప్లే ఇక్కడ డిస్ప్లే అవుతుంది. ఓకే, you will get the display through video card, you will get the sound from the computer or from TV only with the help of sound card. And memory card, all these are outdated one, we are not still using. All these are the inbuilt operations are available included here in motherboard. Power supply, SMPS, all of you right? SMPS, Power supply coming only with the help of this SMPS. The power supply converts alternating current AC line from your home or school to the direct current DC. AC to DC వచ్చేస్తుందమ్మా దీంట్లో. మీ దాంట్లో ఉండేది ఏంటిది ఏసీ, దీని లోపలికి వచ్చేసరికి ఏమవుతుంది డిసి అయిపోతుంది. ఓకే, పవర్ సప్లై SMPS, సింగిల్ మోడ్ పవర్ సప్లై. SMPS stands for single mode power supply to the computer. You will get with the help of this. You will get with the help of this. Okay, you will get with the help of this power supply. This is power supply. అన్ని పవర్ సప్లై వైర్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఇవన్నీ దేనికి కనెక్ట్ అయి ఉంటాయి? మళ్ళీ మదర్ బోర్డ్ కనెక్ట్ అయి ఉంటాయి. ఓకే, మదర్ బోర్డ్ కనెక్ట్ అయి ఉంటాయి. పవర్ సప్లై తీసుకుపోయి మదర్ బోర్డ్ పెట్టగానే మదర్ బోర్డ్ నుండి అన్ని ఫంక్షన్స్ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవుతాయి. ఓకే, just don't try any diagram. This is a NIC. NIC stands for, all of you right, network interface card. You will get the internet communication with the help of this NIC card. Now this is outdated one. NIC outdated one. Now still we are not using NIC. Why? Because Wi-Fi available, Wi-Fi internet communication available, mobile data available. So with the help of Wi-Fi, wirelessly internet communicated to your internet, to your desktop, to your laptop, to your device. Internet communication is activated here without NIC also. Okay, NIC ఇంత ముందు కంపల్సరీ ఉండే అమ్మా. ఇప్పుడు ఇంటర్నెట్ కావాలంటే ఏంటి? We need to add NIC to your CPU. We need to install this NIC into your motherboard and you will get the internet communication. So what is called network? Network means what? Network means what? Network means what? Now this laptop available, this laptop available in my hands. I want to transfer a data. So here this is a network interface card. If you want to connect internet to your CPU or laptop, compulsory we need to install this NIC in your desktop system or in laptop system. Okay, network means what? Group of computers. If your computer, if your laptop available with alone, so that is not in a network. So if you want to transfer a data from this laptop to any laptop in the world, means compulsory we need to connect the internet communication to this computer. Yes, correct? So many of the members are available now. Many of the members are communicated no problem. So in this lab only one person available. But ఒకడే మాట్లాడుకుంటున్నాను అనుకో, ఇట్స్ ద వ్యాలిడ్ వన్. ఒకడే ఫోన్ పట్టుకొని మాట్లాడుతున్నాను అనుకోండి, కరెక్టా? ఫోన్ పట్టుకుంటే వేరే వాళ్ళతో మాట్లాడితే ఓకే, వ్యాలిడ్. So network means need to transfer your data from your system to other system. Minimum how many systems to interconnect? Two. Okay, two systems. అంటే ఒక ఇద్దరు ఉంటేనే మాట్లాడుకుంటే ఒక్కటి మాట్లాడుకుంటే కరెక్టా? That is not in. So that is not in a network. Okay, conference అంటే more than two. Conference call అంటే more than two. So group of systems are interconnected. So in a group how many minimum number of systems in a network? Two, not in a one. One system అంటే network కాదు. So two systems అంటే ఈ సిస్టమ్ నుండి ఇక్కడికి, ఇక్కడ నుండి ఇక్కడికి data is transferred na. So that is called two systems are grouped together into one single unit and the data is transferred from one end to another end. Okay, group of systems are interconnected. Now computer network CN, very important subject available. That is available maybe in 2.2 or 3.1. 2.2 లో కానీ 3.1 లో కానీ వస్తుందమ్మా. CN subject, computer network subject is a popular subject. That is my favorite subject. Cloud computing and computer network, these are the very important subjects are available here in CSC. If you remember all these subjects up to final year, you will get the good placement. Okay, our aim is to find the good placement na. Our main aim is to, so finally first you are entered into this input. Okay, you are coming out from kite with only placement. Kite antene kite. Yes, correct. compulsory we need to come. That is a very important option and a chance available in your hand. Not in kite, in any college, in my VNR VJIT also. The students to find the placement. Okay, not only one student. Every student wants to find a good placement, good dream company from any college. Yes, correct. So that is a very important chance after completion of your BTech. Till now, if you are in kite or in any institution, only because of your parents. Yes, correct. Only because of your parents. Now in your hands, after completion of your BTech, ready to give a beautiful gift to your parents if you have the placement in your hands. So now a chance to give a beautiful gift to your parents after completion of BTech. Just don't waste the time. Time plays a very important role. If you waste the time, so you are losing your option from your hands. So never give up, be disciplined, be punctual, and your hands. Okay, take a lunch break.